Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have some goodies to show you. I have made a couple things here and I wanted to show you what I made them from. I will have links down below. These items are from Globleland.com. I have a coupon code for you as well, and I think they are so super cute, and the kits or the die sets are very versatile. They have several different pieces to them for the most part. And yeah, there's also another item that I picked up too, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. First, I wanted to show you what I made, and I will be having another couple videos in the future, the next couple weeks, making other items with these things. So you'll want to stick around and like this video, subscribe if you're not, and follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Creative Crafticality. So anyway, these are the items that I made for now. I'll make a couple different items in my future videos, like I said, but this one is so super cute. It's a little baby chick in the shape of an Easter egg. And let me show you the die set that made this, but it is adorable. I had some sequins in my stash and some Easter paper. Then I used cardstock for the rest of the pieces and a little clear acetate there for the shaker, but super cute. I'm including these in some Easter junk journals that I'm going to be making. Let me show you the die set that one was made from. It is this one here. Since I've already used it, the pieces are all separated for the most part, at least the ones that I used. So there is this egg shape that has the background and then the frame. And then I'll put a picture up here from the website, and it shows the 4 different little, the different things that you can make with this. But you can make a chick, a bunny, and I can't remember the other 2, but you'll see that in the picture. So all of these pieces come with this, like the little beak and the eyeballs. Here is a nose and mouth, which that's for the bunny. These are bunny pieces. So the feet and the ears, I left those together, and the little hands. And then these are the pieces for the chick. So the little feet there, the wings, and the hair piece at the top. And then these are also other pieces, and I can't remember the animal that that's for. Was it a pig or a lamb? Maybe it's a lamb. It also, and then there's little whiskers for the bunny. And then there is a Happy Easter. Of course, this is backwards because you have to cut it and then flip it over. So there's Happy Easter. So if you wanted to just use this as an egg and put the Happy Easter on there, or even, I think on the website they had one that had the bunny ears and everything, but they left this blank and put the Happy Easter instead of having the face on there. And then I do not know what this piece is for. It doesn't show on the website. It looks like I don't know, it makes little dashes on the side and then a line here. I'm not sure what it is. So if you have any idea, let me know. I might play around with it in the next video and see if I can figure that out. Anyway, that's what comes with this one. And I'm going to put this all, I store mine on magnetic sheets, so I don't leave them in this package, but anyway, it's a lot easier when they're on the magnetic sheet all out so you can see. So there's that. And then I made this really cute tag. It has pockets with little tags on the inside, and I had this, I used the same paper collection I think this was from Joann's, I'm not sure, but I had it in my stash anyway. Had this with the bigger bunnies and then the matching smaller bunny pattern and then a coordinating plaid there. And then I had some cardstock from my stash. So this is really cute. I put that in the wrong. I wanted to, there we go. Wanted the pink in the middle there. So this one was from this set, which is it's a tag set. So you can use it with any theme or any kind of journal or scrapbooking project. But I'm doing my Easter now, so that's what I did that for. So this set comes with 2 different tag sets that have 2 different size tags. So there's this one with the rounded edges, and then the second tag set, which I used, and so it's apart now, are the more squared off edges. And then it also comes with different tag toppers. So the rounded one has this tag topper and this tag topper. And then the squared off one has this tag topper and this one, which is attached. And then, oh, there's also this tag topper that says hello when you cut it out. There's also little pocket notches that you can use. Of course, you have to pull these all apart, but if you have just a plain, like say this pocket die part here, you can cut this out. You can open up from above, but also you can use this little piece down below here and make that an extra little tuck, or you could just do that on a plain piece of paper. So there's that, and then there's another pocket little part there, and that's what I used on this tag. I'll pull this apart here. I cut out 2 of these, moved the middle part up on the tag, and I actually cut the sides off of it, so I cut all these pieces off, so it was just this single piece that I glued just on 3 edges. So that's another pocket. But then on this one, I cut the whole thing out of that bunny paper, folded the edges back onto this, and then glued it, that whole piece, onto the background tag. I didn't wrap it around here. You could wrap this around and then cover it, but I just decided to wrap it around this middle part so I had my pink plain on the back. So that's what that is. And then it has all these little pieces here that you can use to put on your holes at the top of the tag. So yeah, I thought that was cute. And then it has this little, well, a tab here and a little arrow that you can hook. I think you can hook that onto a brad so it goes around. There's also 2 other little slot cutters or dies. There's this one and this one. And then there's a couple different other flags or tags here. So or a banner, I guess. There's this banner, and then this is more of like a little banner tag. And I like this, how it cuts it like a raw edge at the bottom there. But of course, all of these you would need to pull apart to be able to use them correctly. Otherwise, this would just cut right out of the top of there. So anyway, I haven't done all that yet because I just pulled apart what I needed for this. So anyway, that's that whole set. And then I'm going to show you this third die set that I picked up, and I'll have the link down below, but I just wanted to warn you, I went into find the picture of the items that they made on the website, and it must be sold out because they didn't have it. They didn't have it on the website anymore. And I've asked about that before. The last time I did show you my last Globleland haul. One of the other items on that was sold out, but I didn't realize that, and I asked like why it wasn't pulling it up on the website, and she said that's because they were out. So they take it down, and then when they refill their items, then they'll put it back up. So just so you know that, but I wanted to show it to you anyways because it's really cute. I haven't made anything with this yet, but it is an Easter goodie bag or Easter treat holder. And I haven't even opened it up here. Let's look. It makes a little box, and then it has a couple different bunny pieces that you can put on the box. So here's one bunny piece, and then this one is a little square, more of the shape of the box that you can put on there with the little shoes. And by the time I have this video up, if this is available and I find the picture of what this looked like, I'll put that up on the screen. So I thought that was really cute. And then the last thing I picked up, which I'm not really sure, I haven't done anything with it yet, but it was a stencil, and I didn't really look closely enough on the listing to see that it was just this tiny. And these little, it's candy. It's a candy stencil. And I wanted it to use for my Candyland journals. I still can. It's the size that I can use for like a journaling card or a tag. But it's so super tiny. I can't even imagine that anything would get through those small little pictures on there. I'm going to pull it out here, and it's very, very thin. It's plastic. Well, I don't even know if there's any holes in that. It's just, there's no holes in that. I don't know how that even works. So I don't even know what you could do with this. Yeah. So anyway, that's my real life being honest here with this. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. Anyway, sorry about that. Had a little coughing fit. So that is what I picked up from Globleland.com. And thank you, Globleland, for partnering with me again. I love these items here, and hopefully you will come back to see what I make with these. And if I do see that they have this again on their website, I will make something out of this to show you. I don't want to promote it if they don't have it in stock, but I do want to promote their website because they have lots of fun metal dies, really cute, every season, every theme you can think of, as well as lots of other kinds of crafting items. So yeah, go ahead and check that out. Everything will be down in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.